solve the differential equation tangent squared y dy equals sine cube x dx. So still under the topic separation of variables, but if you can see the equation or tangent squared of y is already the coefficient of dy and sine cube of x is already the coefficient of dx. So we can directly solve this one by integration. So, but first of all, we will need some trigonometric identities to be able to solve this one. If we recall, sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals 1. So it follows that sine square of theta is 1 minus cosine square of theta. And also from this identity, again, if we divide the whole equation by cosine square theta, and this is equal to tangent square theta plus 1 equals secant squared of theta, and that will give us tangent squared theta equals secant squared theta minus 1. Okay, so the differential equation tangent squared tangent squared y dy equals sine cube x dx. Okay, so tangent squared of y is equal to secant squared y minus 1 times dy. Then the right side of the equation can be written like this: sine squared x times sine x dx. So we do this because this is equal to this one. This is now 1 minus cosine square x times sine x dx. Okay, so we copy the left side of the equation. Then the right side of the equation becomes 1 times sine x is sine x dx. Cosine squared times sine x is negative cosine square x sine x dx. This we can now easily integrate as well as this one and this. However, this one we need to use u substitution here, because if we let u equals cosine x du is negative sine of x dx. So our du will be negative sine x and our u will be cosine square, or yeah. So this equation now becomes, so this last term here will become plus cosine is u, and that's cosine squared, so that's u squared. And our du is sine x, or negative sine x dx, so this is u squared du. The integral of secant square y is just tangent of y. Integral of dy is y equals the integral of sine x is negative cosine x plus integral of u square is u cubed over 3 plus c. So we multiply the whole equation by 3 and then we substitute u equals cosine x and we get our answer. Tangent of y minus y equals negative 3 times cosine of x plus u, which is cosine of x, and this is cube plus c.